Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a quick core strengthening sequence. Our core is our place of balance and where all movement begins. So if you want to work on strengthening your core, come flow with me.
We'll begin by coming into a comfortable seat. You can take any easy seated posture or even sit on top of a block, blanket, or a bolster here. As you make your way into a seat, we'll begin with just some breathing. Take a moment here to place one palm on your heart and one palm on your belly. And just notice the rise and fall of your chest and belly as you breathe in and out. You can even close your eyes here and begin to turn inward. And maybe even consciously take a 360 breath. You can even place your palms on the sides of your rib cage here. And notice your entire rib cage, front, sides, and back expand as you breathe in and contract as you breathe out. Breathe in this way for a few more cycles of breath, just engaging your core and diaphragm, warming it up here. Deep breath in and out. Take this time to center yourself. The core is vital in all of our movements in day-to-day life. With your next breath, blink your eyes open and release your palms from wherever they are. You can remove the block, bolster, or blanket from underneath you if you had it. Make your way onto your back, feet flat on the mat, knees bent, roll all the way back and down. In this space, we'll take a moment just to engage our transverse abdominals. Take your fingers and place them slightly above your hip bones. This will just help you feel that muscle engagement as we breathe here. As you breathe in, allow your belly and lower rib cage to expand just like we did before. And as you breathe out, hug your belly button up and in, engage your entire core, engage your transverse abdominals deep within. Inhale and expand. Exhale, pull your navel towards your spine, towards the floor. Feel that engagement underneath your fingertips. Inhale, expand and breathe. Exhale, contract and engage. Inhale, breathe with your belly. Exhale, engage your core and pull it all in. Take a few more rounds of breath in this way, activating your deep core. On your next breath, hug your knees in towards your chest, and then rock side to side or forward and back, just releasing out of that space. Next, take your arms out into a T. Straighten out your legs, heels pressing up towards the ceiling. Now, if you have a slight bend in your knees here, that's totally fine if you have tighter hamstrings. Wherever you are, flex your toes towards your nose, press the heels up. Engage your core, hug your belly button up and in. Exhale, bend your knees, hug yourself, and then tuck your chin in, looking towards your toes. Begin to rock and roll forward and back. As you gain enough momentum, rock forward into a seat. Taking a seat in the middle of your mat, knees are still bent, feet flat on the mat. Take a moment to grab onto the backs of your thighs and roll your shoulders down and back. Now point your toes down towards the mat, lift your heels. Inhale, lift the left toes high. Breathe and engage your core. Exhale and lower. Inhale, the right toes high. Exhale and lower. Inhale, lift both toes off the floor. Shins are about parallel with the mat if possible. This is your boat pose. You can always place your palms by your sides, releasing them, or even straighten out the legs if it is part of your practice. Wherever you are, engage your core, breathe, and keep your shoulders away from your ears. This is firing up your core here. As you exhale, cross at the ankles, place your palms down, lower your feet, and lift your hips. Inhale, come back into your boat pose. We'll do that a few more times. Cross the opposite way, palms down, inhale, lift your hips. Inhale back into your boat pose, and this time as you cross at your ankles, roll all the way forward, and step back into your plank pose. Remember, you can always lower your knees here. Exhale, shift your hips up and back, downward facing dog. Take a moment here just to pedal out your feet and settle into your downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg high, exhale right knee to nose, cheetah pose. Inhale the right leg high, exhale right knee to right elbow, shifting forward. Inhale the right leg high, exhale right knee to left elbow. Pause, and then straighten out the right leg. Inhale the left arm high for your rock star. Inhale the right leg high, exhale, plant the right foot down. Inhale the left leg high, exhale, left knee to nose, cheetah pose. Inhale the left leg high, exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale the left leg high, exhale, twist to the right elbow. Breathe, extend that leg out. Inhale the right arm high. Exhale, plant it down. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, come back into your downward facing dog. Lower your knees and shift back into your child's pose. Breathe in and out. Catch your breath if you've lost it. Inhale, lift up into your tabletop. Exhale, tuck your toes under, downward facing dog. Inhale the right leg high. Exhale, right knee to nose. Right toes high. Exhale, right knee to right elbow. Inhale the leg high. Exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale the right leg high. Bend the knee this time. Plant the right foot down, turning over into your wild thing. Exhale, flip back over, right palm down, right leg high. Exhale and plant it back down. Inhale the left leg high, exhale, knee to nose. Inhale the left leg high, exhale, left knee to left elbow. Inhale the left toes high, exhale, left knee to right elbow. Inhale the left toes high, bend the knee, yawn it open, and flip your dog if you'd like to. Exhale, plant the palm, inhale the left toes up, exhale back into your downward facing dog. Lower the knees and sink back into your child's pose once more. Deep breath in and out. Release here. Stay here and breathe as long as you'd like.
I hope you enjoyed that flow. If you did, be sure to share it with a loved one or on social media and tag me at Shreya so more people can find this flow. It always means a lot to me if you take a second to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Also be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos every single Saturday. As always, everything I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below. If you want to flow a little bit more, check out my vinyasa playlist right here. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.